Hello from Cherries! We are back with a new series of videos. In this series, we will spend a couple of more minutes learning practical skills together. Today is about mockups. In particular, how to create a realistic can mockup in Photoshop. According to Adobe, a mockup helps you showcase your design on physical objects. Here the object is a can, and we will cover other objects in the coming videos, so stay tuned. Let's get our hands artistic and begin. As you can see, I have a plain can as my object. You can get such an image for free on our website. I will share the link in the description for you. Now, select the object using the Object Selection tool. Use the Quick Select tool to remove any parts you don't want in the selection. Hold Alt key to remove unwanted parts, and hold Shift key to add any areas you want to include in the selection. Once selected, press Command-C keys on your keyboard, then Command-V if you are using Mac, to make a copy of the selection part. For those using Windows, Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V would do the job. Next, select the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle over the object. Right-click on the rectangle layer you just created. Then select Convert to Smart Object. Now press Command-T on your Mac device, or alternatively Ctrl-T on your Windows to activate the transform option for the layer. Then right-click on the object and select Distort to align the rectangle's edges and corners with the object. For better accuracy, you can reduce the rectangle's opacity to see the background. Right-click on the object again in Transform mode and select Wrap. From the Wrap drop-down menu at the top, choose Cylinder. This mode lets you fit and give a little curve to your rectangle onto the object like a real can. In the Layer panel, double-click on the rectangle thumbnail to open the Smart Object in the Separate window. In this window, you can add your custom image for the can mockup and adjust it in the background. After adding the image, save and close the window to return to the main project. Back in the main project, click on the rectangle layer and choose Multiply in the Blend Mode drop-down. Press Command-M keys on Mac or Ctrl-M on Windows to add a smart curve filter to the rectangle layer and adjust the curve settings to your custom preference. Double-click on the rectangle layer to open the Layer Style panel. Under Blending Options, decrease the white slider for the underlying layer. Hold Alt and left-click to control the slider more precisely. After adjusting, click OK. Finally, apply the rectangle layer with clipping mask to the can layer you copied at the beginning. To do this, hold Alt key and left-click between the rectangle layer and the can layer. Enjoy! You've just created a professional mockup, and you can easily update the image anytime you wish. Thank you for watching, guys.